Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to set the opening page of the Translink NI application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. After that, go to your home page and then click on this menu icon that you can find in the upper left corner of the screen. Scroll down and click on the Journey Preferences section that you can find in the middle of the screen. After that, scroll down to this third section and here you can find the opening screen section, so tap on it. And after that, you should select from these options such as departures, which is the default option. You can set it to the planner, last used or main menu. So click on the relevant one, and when you are done, click on the done button on the right side so that it will be updated automatically. That's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.